Hello everybody, Andrea Maeska here with EPICURE. We are doing an EPICURE unboxing. As you guys can see, my puppy Hope is in the background, just kind of checking things out, and she says hello. But okay, I'm going to put this down because it's really heavy. Okay. So I like to actually do these because even as new customers or even as customers who order all the time, everybody wants to know, well, what is everybody ordering? So this is what this unboxing video is going to be about. This is actually box number 1 of 2. I have another one coming today. But let me tell you, you guys, lately, the rectangular steamer has been extremely popular. So if you don't know about our steamers yet, they are the most amazing things. You cannot get them anywhere else. I'm talking Amazon, Walmart, nowhere. Nobody else has these. It's basically cookware that you can cook in the microwave. So you can cook anything in less time. I probably use the rectangular steamer the most for like hot dogs. You can cook 2 hot dogs or, however many, but I would do 2 hot dogs at a time for like 40 seconds. It cooks the hot dogs. So you don't have to boil this pot of water that takes forever to boil. Then you have to waste all of that water. Use a steamer, 2 hot dogs for like 40 seconds. I use this a lot for baked potatoes as well. So you don't have to actually just put them in the oven, wait an hour. Takes a baked potato usually about 8 minutes and it's cooked perfectly. But there are so many other things. Popcorn, lasagna, corn, anything. Love it. Okay guys, next up. So they always package things really well. Okay, so there's a lot of meal sauce mixes here. So a lot of the packages, so I'm just gonna take them out like this. So our Alfredo packages. So literally you guys, so our packages are the most amazing because you never have to wonder what's for dinner again. You can like literally store these in your cupboard and just kind of pick one and say, okay, who wants Alfredo tonight? Look on the back. I don't know if you guys can read that, probably not, but you literally just need a couple ingredients and you have dinner in under 20 minutes. So for example, to make our Alfredo mix, all you need is our mix. You need milk and obviously pasta. That's it. So you don't have to worry about prepping for an hour, cooking something for an hour to have dinner ready under 20 minutes, you guys. And it's so much healthier for you than if you were to eat out, buy something from the store that's pre-made and cheaper too, by the way. So we have a bunch of Alfredo mixes. You get a pack of 3 of them, so a pack of 3 for about $10. And this is our taste test actually for this month. So depending on when you're watching this, you might not get this. But this is our ooey gooey dip mix. It is a hot dip mix, the most amazing dip mix I have ever had. And I love dip. You know how when you go to eat out at a restaurant, you could get like a dip as an appetizer. Well, instead, make it at home, taste even better, so much healthier. I love it. Again, very, very simple directions, a lot healthier for you. All you need is milk and cheese in the mix. You'll have a dip made in like 10 minutes and you can take it anywhere. I believe these come in a pack of 3. So I got a lot of the dip mixes because everybody's been ordering it this month. In fact, I had ordered it for myself at the beginning of the month because as a consultant, you can always order things earlier than they actually come out, and I need to order more because it's so good. So even more, you guys, more dip mixes. Amazing. Okay, so what else did I get? So our lovely customers, who does not love this? So I used to order a doner in the mall. I used to work in the mall a long time ago, and they had a special every Tuesday for about $11.95. I want to say for like a whole plate. Well, now you can make it at home, so much cheaper, and it just tastes so much better too. And like I said, you guys, very easy to follow directions. Very, very simple ingredients, a lot healthier for you. 0 grams of sugar. Did you hear me? 0 grams of sugar. Amazing. So you can get that. Our general Thai, however you pronounce that, is really good as well. Very simple, mix it up. People will always be asking for this. After you make this for your family, you will be amazed how tasty it is and so much cheaper than eating out. So this comes in a pack of 3 as well, I believe. Our sweet and sour stir fry mix, you guys. Again, amazing. You will not have to like eat out ever again. Like this tastes so good. People will be amazed that you can make this at home. So that's been a very popular one, and that comes in a couple packages as well. Couple packages. There's the stir fry again. The rest are just the dip mixes. Yes, so again, you guys, amazing. Like look at all of the mixes, all of the packs that were ordered. Like, and this is actually for about two people. So this is 2 customers here who love them. So trust me, if you have not tried one of our packs, I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. We have so much more. We have a speedy lasagna, which are the most popular ones. We have a mac and cheese. We have so many more, including a cupcake mix and a sweet banana bread mix. So definitely check that out. Okay, there's another box in here. They like always package them, you guys, really, really well. I quite like that. Okay, so what are the other popular ones for now? Our honey mustard, which is a seasonal item. Our new catalog just started May the 1st. You need to order the honey mustard. It's so good. Our O Canada, this is also seasonal. This is my favorite. I put it on popcorn, actually. It just kind of looked like it was lopsided for a second, but I think that's just the way I was holding it. So that's why I kind of looked at it funny. But I put this actually on popcorn. I know, makes no sense, but it's so good. It kind of has like a sweet, like mapley flavor to it. It's really, really good. Seasonal. If you want it, order it now. It's really good on like meats. I think that's what it's made for, really. But it's amazing, trust me. Trust me. This is a must-have. Our roasted garlic, which is actually sold out right now. So whoever ordered this, I can't remember, lucky you, because it's yours. And our chocolate truffle mix. This can be used in your coffee, yogurt, smoothies, on toast. We have the most amazing mixes ever. Check them out. I can leave the link for you guys there too. And one more, you guys, last but not least, our burger mix. So we have a little bit of everything at an amazing price point. If you guys ever have any questions, let me know. If you live in St. Thomas, I do have free pickup, so you don't have to pay shipping, but our shipping's actually pretty good anyway. It goes by weight. If you're in our pantry club, so I have a pantry club for Canada and the US, you actually get only $5 shipping. So no matter what you order, $5. So that really helps too. So if you are interested in being in our pantry club, let me know. It's pretty awesome. I can give you details on that. So just send me a message. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there's any questions, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.